everyone, welcome to another very brief Kings Island Orion update. We've got the turnaround track pretty much all installed. We can see a crane there. I'm going to assume they might still be working on some low to the ground stuff or some final bolting there. It is Sunday. Happy New Year, everyone. January 5th. So we're coming to you, of course, from Great Wolf Lodge. The park has been closed for the season since New Year's Eve. So just wanted to give you a quick update. Not too much to say other than thanks for following, thanks for subscribing, everybody. And we can't wait to get on Orion in a few months now. Can't believe we're saying few months. So pretty cool to see the turnaround all completed there. It was completed a couple days ago, we saw, but rain and weather hasn't really been cooperating enough for good pictures. So I wanted to come out today and get some video. Thank you for your patience. I know everybody usually expects these updates to come out on Friday, and I try to crank them out on Friday. From here, this is going to be most of the tall track done and completed, so our updates are going to be kind of more webcam based, I think, as we go along. But here is basically the skyline of Orion at Kings Island. You can see the lift hill with the drop there, the second hill that we covered and got to stand under, and then that final turn, a little light pull in the way here, but still good angle for all three of the first big hills. So it's going to be really tough to see from this angle, but you can see that turnaround is pretty much completed now. We got the track work all right here, all done, all completed, everything that you want to see. I'm kind of in the car at the moment, so I'm going to kind of move forward and see if we get a better angle of it, which we really can't. But you can see it through the trees there. Definitely really cool to see that turnaround being completed here on Orion. And that's going to about wrap us up for our update. So my name is Jim from WildGravityTravels.com.